If you've been arrested or given a criminal citation for petty theft or shoplifting, well, your next question to me might be, John, how are we going to beat this? And that is a great question. I have a couple answers. First of all, to understand how we beat some of these shoplifting charges, we're going to focus on intent, because you must intend to steal. And I know that sounds obvious, but intent is not as easy to prove as you might think, because the way we shop has changed in two very big ways. Both of these changes are making it tougher for the state to prove intent. Now, the first significant change in shopping is the self-checkout lane, right? This provides an almost built-in defense to theft, because these large retail stores, especially Walmart, they're now asking we shoppers to be our own cashiers. Well, first of all, Walmart's very own cashiers with hours of training. They've got their machines, they've got their badges, they've got their passwords. They know how to use these scanners inside and out, and they still make mistakes. They make big mistakes, they make small mistakes. So, is it a crime for them to make a mistake at work? No, it's not. But if you become your own cashier in the self-checkout lane and you make the same sort of mistake as Walmart's trained cashiers make, somehow you're now a criminal. So, the way to beat a self-checkout lane theft is to show that the problem is a scanning mistake, not a theft. Once again, this is a defense based on your lack of intent to steal. Beating this in this way, a petty theft, you're going to have some limitations on how we can defend this, because the more scanning mistakes you make, the less likely it is that a jury's going to believe that this was a mistake. Now, if you spent $150 in the self-checkout lane and you failed to scan one pack of bubble gum for 75 cents, this is a mistake. It's not a crime. But if you spend that same $150 and you fail to scan $80 worth of goods, we don't even have an intent defense. We'll have to get another defense, and there are other ones out there. Now, aside from a self-checkout lane problems, we have a second shopping habit development that has its own built-in intent problems, which is good for us. And I'm talking about reusable shopping bags. These things are everywhere now. And the problem is sometimes we forget to give the cashier everything we have in the bag, especially deep down in the bag. I've walked out of a store not realizing that something had gone unpaid for. It happens. Did I intend to steal? Of course not. I just forgot. It is not a crime to forget. Once again, the intent defense is going to evaporate. You're not going to have it the more items you forget to pay for, because the more forgetful you become, the more this looks like petty theft. There is no bright line here. Like, maybe you get a pass on 1 or 2 forgot to pay items, but you're not going to get a pass on 5 or 10 items. The intent defense is just not going to work. The good news is, we have lots of defenses to petty theft. If you're accused of petty theft or shoplifting in Central Florida, that's where my office is. That's where I'm recording this right now. I've been defending these sorts of cases since 1993, and I do hope that you'll give our office a call. Let's see if we can help you through this. Thanks for watching, and take care.